May loose tooth na si Patty. Ayan, guys.
This is hard for me to do because my hands don't work as well. Open! I didn't say close. Open your mouth, talky tongue. Open it up. All right, Pat, you got your lip is over. You can't feel that your lip is over that too?
Two? Just
I'll
one.
take both of them, Pat.
No.
This one.
My sister's having a loose tooth.
You got the right one.
Yeah, that's the one.
You
Don't move.
see you talking, you reckon.
reckon.
Keep your mouth quiet. Just keep your mouth open and be quiet.
Yeah, that one big one.
Mom got it. Tighten it up real tight. You have to wiggle it and then go up. How many of these do we have to do? Come here, Pat. Come here, Pat.
Yeah. Is it too tight?
No, it wasn't tight. That's
Oh, I think it's. I better use the thread. That floss, it's not really holding up.
Keep your head. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Use the thread. Use
Come
the
here, let me
thread.
try it. Come here, let me
Try.
try again a time. The big pat. Oh, it came off.
Came off. You can't do the knot. Madulas. Kasi yung ngipin ni Patty is too tiny. It won't. It doesn't work
I
though.
don't think it's gonna come out.
Just use the teeth.
Can we try this, Pat? Let me wiggle it a little bit. A little bit.
Say
We got hard time with the floss because
Nice and easy,
It's
Pat. I'm gonna go
sleeping,
nice and easy.
madulas.
Like I did before, I'm gonna go nice and easy, okay? Nice and easy, Pat. Nice and easy. Let me see. Pat, you have to help me here.
I'm gonna hold your tail.
Let me get it, Pat.
No!
Pat, you gotta let me get it, man.
I don't want you to get my tooth.
I thought you want to take it
I
out.
didn't want to take it out.
I want to, but it's scary.
It's not scary.
Let me try. Come on.
I don't want to hear the
I'll make it fast, Pat. I'll make it fast.
No, don't make it fast.
Can I just wiggle it a little bit, Pat? Put that in the garbage.
No, you're gonna pull it out.
I promise I won't pull it out. I promise. Let me wiggle it. Let me wiggle it.
Okay.
Ready?
I want to do it. No, I want
You
to
can.
do
I gotta
it.
hold it.
It's gonna hurt.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt. Pat. Tell me when. Tell me when. I got it. Hey,
Cotton, cotton. Put the cotton. There you go.
you got it.
Ay, that's so cute. Look at the little tooth of
I
Pat.
can't see it.
I know, it's so tiny. See?
You did it.
Today is gonna be the tooth fairy contest.
Oh,
Don't get your fingers out of it.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Of course you don't.
Where's my wife?
You okay now, Pat?
Yeah.
Okay now? Yeah, finally. Meron siyang isa pa, but the other one is not ready yet. Next to each other. Ito guys. Yan, medyo loose siya pero it's not ready yet. So it's coming up soon. She's gonna eat ice pop to make the gum numb. Ayun. Si Ariana wala pa guys. Intact pa lahat ng baby teeth niya. Pero baka magapit na rin. Pupunta muna ako ng Walmart guys. Meron pinapabili sa akin si asawa. Ice cream. So, meron siyang gusto na new flavor ice cream na nagustuhan din namin. Tapos, titingin-tingin na rin. Baka may mga sale sila. Dito ako ngayon guys sa clearance section sa Walmart. So, walang bagong clearance sale. Nandito ako sa clearance aisle. Same thing pa rin yung naka-display. Naghanap ako dito guys ng body oil kasi baka makatulong sa aking dry skin lalo na sa paa, sa legs. Meron ng moisturizing lotion. Pero ganun pa rin. Subukan ko ito guys. Dr. Teal's Bath and Body Oil. Gusto ko ito. May mga iba-ibang flavor. Meron lemon balm. Meron naman ginseng and ginger. Tsaka yung coconut oil. Ayoko yung mga may amoy. Lalo na yung coconut. Ito lang siguro kasi plain lang. Para sa paa ko lang guys. Bath and Body Oil. Ayan. Subukan ko lang siya. So wala na yung mga Easter display guys. Tinanggal na nila. Wala nang naka-display. Mga 4th of July na at saka mga pang summer. Ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung gusto ng asawa ko. Itong mga Tilamog brand. May bago pa sila ngayon guys. Itong caramel swirl. At saka ano ba yun? Sabi niya peanut butter something. Teka guys. Ito guys. Ito pala. Campfire peanut butter. Ayan. Gusto niya yan. At saka ano pa ba yung isa na gusto niya? Wala dito yung iba. Dalawa na lang ang binili ko. Ganito guys. Yung ganitong flavor. Kasi wala yung ibang flavor na gusto niya. Natilang mo brand din. Kuha ako banana guys. Ayan. Banana. Palabas na ako ng Walmart. So yung ice cream lang yung purpose ko na bibilhin. Naka-grocery tuloy ko ng konti. Ayan. Ito na ako ngayon guys sa bahay. So ito yung mga binili ko. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Guys, ice cream, campfire peanut butter. Dalawa yung binili ko. Tapos ito, Centro pizza sauce niya guys. Ito yung ginagamit niya kapag gumagawa siya ng pizza bread. Nilalagyan niya ito as sauce. Tapos bumili na rin ako ng ano ba to? Ice cream cone para sa mga bata. Banana. Mga dagdag lang ito guys kasi mayroon pa namang konti. Apple. Ayan, green at saka itong Fuji. Ito, cucumber. Ito. Spring onion. Isa. Baked beans. Isa rin. Onion, red onion. Isa. Kasi meron pa naman sa fridge. Apple cider vinegar. Gloves. Kailangan ko lang ng extra just in case masira itong old one ko. Pampalinis, all-purpose cleaner sa kitchen at saka ito sa bathroom namin. And body oil para sa akin. At saka facial cleansing towelettes or makeup remover. Ayan guys, yan lang yung pinamili ko. Tapos naka $60 na rin. Ayan lahat. Mahal lahat ngayon guys ng mga bilihin. Konti lang yung bibilhin mo. More than $50 na. Try ko muna ito guys sa pantry at saka sa fridge. Itong mga pinamili ko guys.